Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Can you recognize me? Today, let's dive in Higgsfield Recast. With Recast, you can transfer like this. See? Now I'm changing my style, right?
With Recast, you can transfer like this. See? Now I'm changing my style, right?
Con Recast puoi trasferire così. Vedi? Ora sto cambiando il mio stile, giusto? With Recast, you can transfer like this. See? Now I'm changing my style, right?
With Recast, you can transfer like this. See? Now I'm changing my style, right?
With Recast, you can transfer like this. See? Now I'm changing my style, right?
With Recast, you can transfer like this. See? Now I'm changing my style, right?
Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, let's dive in Higgsfield Recast. Recast is amazing. Allows you to transfer your image to any character that you name it. So go to the Higgsfield website and you can find the entry point both here or click the Higgsfield apps and find the recast from here. So basically, what you need is upload your own video and upload another character image. Then your background will keep, but the character will change. For example, if you want to make a movie, but you're not satisfied with your outlook, for example, like me, then you can transfer yourself to any character that you created by another AI. So that allows us to create without any limitations, right? Okay, no more crap, let's try it out. So first, upload your own video. So upload here. And this time, I upload another clip of mine. And on our right, I uploaded AI-generated pretty girl. So let me change myself into a pretty girl. With Recast, you can transfer like this. See? Now I'm changing my style, right? So on our left we have I have so on our left we record a video. On our right we have a lion image, and let's click generate video. The fuck? Okay, is that very fun? Not only like this, but if you go to the Recast Studio, you can actually seek for more parameters. For example, let's upload our source video. Alright, you just saw my previous video. I transferred to a pretty AI girl, right? But my voice is still strange, right? So this time, we also have the option to change our voice. Yes, voiceover. And also, you have the parameters that change to different languages. Not to mention, you can change your background. Wow, let's try one by one. So for the first one, select character, you can whether upload a photo or choose from existed characters. Let's click the all. And you can find it's not only one character, but many characters. Yeah, 2D animated style or 3D animated style, right? And for the time, maybe try this girl. And click conform. And let's change our voice.
Rivers stretch their arms to the sea's open embrace.
Yeah, I like this one. And let's change the language. For the languages, you have many options. And for the background, let's choose this luxury room. And let's click the create.
With Recast, you can transfer like this. See? Now I'm changing my style, right?
Alright, since this is so fun, let's play our one more round. Let's choose another character, choose this one, and change the voice to Andrew.
Love is composed of a single...
And change the language to Italian, and change a room, and click create.
Con Recast puoi trasferire così. Vedi? Ora sto cambiando il mio stile, giusto?
After you generated a video by Recast, you can go to the library and find more options. For example, like you can publish it to the community or click here to download the full video, or click here to like this video, and you can add this to another folder. Aside, you can check the parameters you are using. Yeah, we are in the video tab. So in video tab, you can actually generate video by all the best AI video models from here. And if you want to generate image, you can also click here, edit video or image, you can click the edit, and build consistency character by click the character tab. Not to mention, you can use Sora 2 Trans and use assistant. So Higgsfield is not just one AI, but the best AI treasure box in the whole world. I highly recommend you to check by yourself. Oh, don't forget to check this popcorn feature. That's so cool. You can actually build up your own movie or clips. That's so dope. So with tool like Recast, you can easily change your style, change your background. Maybe you can make a movie based on it, or make a faceless YouTube. So only sky is your limit, bro. Not to mention, you can actually remix it with other Higgsfield app. For example, you can upscale the video, add some effects, or face swap again. I think Higgsfield offers us with a way to use the latest technology to modify, to create whatever in our mind, so the whole world can see.
With Recast, you can transfer like this. See, now I'm changing my style, right?
Alright, so much for today. I hope you like it, and don't forget to check the link in the description and leave your question in the comment zone. I will reply them, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching till the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.